gets listed on regulated Japanese exchange. Since the opening of this year, meme coins have outperformed, reaching new heights. Dogs and WIF became the most discussed and profitable joke coins in 2024. Meme coins continues to expand its dominance and presence throughout the globe by partnering with leading firms and sports clubs. In recent developments, one of the most popular meme coin, Pepe, got officially listed on BitPoint Japan, a centralized cryptocurrency exchange in the nation that got the official license in 2016 from the regulators. Additional information notes that the CEX will offer spot trading, lending, and saving services of the widely traded meme coin Pepe. It is worth noting that the exchange aims to run 2 different campaigns in order to lure more investors towards the recent listing. The first campaign of the exchange intends to reward a lottery of 100,000 yen to an eligible user among the top 10 users of the exchange who bought 10,000 yen worth of Pepe. The second is rewarding the ex-followers of BitPoint. According to finance experts, the move to reward users will help the exchange boost its presence and a good image among crypto enthusiasts. Japan is among the nations with a massive cryptocurrency market. Is Pepe approaching towards $1? As of writing, Pepe was trading at $0. 0.0000942 with an intraday decline of 2.59%, and it lost 6.65%. However, Pepe's market capitalization also suffered in the past 24 hours, reaching $3.96 billion. Despite short-term declines, Pepe remains profitable in the long term. In YTD, its prices have seen a whopping growth of 624%, and in the 52-week time frame, it is up by 705%. Pepe holds 24th rank in the wider cryptocurrency market in terms of market capitalization and trading volume. On the other hand, it is the 3rd most prominent meme coin in terms of market capitalization and trading volume. However, the meme coin market is led by Dogecoin, Doge, an early pioneer of the category in terms of popularity and adoption. In the past few hours, Doge's price has also mirrored a spike. But analysts claim the spike in the prices is clearly backed by the recent ex-post Elon Musk, which has a picture similar to the dog on which the meme coin is designed. Dogwifat, WIF, the newly debuted meme coin, is claimed to have greater potential and might likely become the new leader of meme coins in the coming months. Until publishing, it had been trading at $2.58, with a surge of 1,441% in the past 52 weeks. However, it debuted at the beginning of this year and achieved huge attention and adoption in the vast market. During its listing, WIF was trading below $1, but unprecedented growth has changed the outlook of the meme coin moguls and whale holders. Meme coins first came into existence as a joke but later gathered huge attention from elites. Some of the celebrities and other known personalities have also launched their meme-based coins.